What's up, you guys? We're back in Arizona, enjoying some warm weather for a change. Unlike my previous video with all that Colorado snow that just came out of nowhere, I wasn't planned for it. I was hoping for warmer weather, but overall, that trip was amazing. I had a great time getting the opportunity to tattoo everybody that I got to tattoo and spending the time that I got to out there. There's always next time, so I can't really complain. Today, I just got done checking the mail, and I have a few packages that I'm gonna unbox for you guys to show you what I got. A couple of them, I'm hoping it's the idle air control valve that I ordered. Not the idle air control valve, the IAC Delete, the idle air control valve Delete. The windshield mount, I'm hoping, and maybe a switch, I'm not sure. Let's just jump right into it so I can show you guys. So it's exactly what I thought it was going to be. It's my new headlight switch. Now the reason I need this is my gauges are acting weird, so I'm hoping it's something in the module. When you turn on the headlights like that, it fixes it, maybe. And I didn't have this bracket, so it's kind of just hanging, flopping around by the fuse box. So that's going to fix that. Here's the idle air control valve Delete. It has a little Mustang engraved in it. Even came with some bolts and lock washers. That's awesome. And here is the windshield mount I was telling you about. So I'm hyped. Garage is opened. Hood is popped. Mustang now has a flat tire. I don't know how. I woke up to it. So I'll take it off later and see if I got a nail in it. I'm hoping that's all it is because I'll plug it. It's just burner tires anyway. So yeah, here's the Delete plate that I showed you guys. Came with a freaking gasket, so I don't have to use silicone. That's awesome. But let me show you this idle air control valve. So for those of you who don't know, your idle air control valve is right here. It has this one little sensor plug-in right here. It's like 2 5/16 comes off, goes over here. I'm gonna have to cap it off over here on the intake side, and then it's off. It's pretty much that simple. And this will go right in place of it, and I think it's gonna look clean as hell. So let's just jump right into it. And she's out, guys. Like I said, 2 8mm, 1 plug, end of the hose. That's it. That's out. Time to install the Delete plate. Once that's installed, we'll fire it up and see if I can get it idle without this. Well, after dropping the damn 10 mil, she fell over here, went down there by the intake, and I had to fish her out over there with the damn magnet, but I got it, it's cool. Cap's on, just a little rubber cap, both 10 mils, the plate. Check it out though. I like that way more than this thing. You guys tell me what you think. Idle air control valve or Delete plate? Right before I start it up, I'm going to put the other switch in, since this one, like I said, just chilling here. It's supposed to be mounted up in here, but it doesn't have that bracket or this little knob, so it'll clean that up. And later on, I'll end up making a mount for this, because, you know, there's nowhere else really to put it at the moment. So she just chills there. Maybe I'll zip tie it up and leave it alone. So I'm going to take that switch off, put the new one on, and then I'll fire it up. As you guys saw, the headlight switch is in. It works. Headlights turn on and off. That's awesome. Still wish this wasn't here, but that's more of a tomorrow project. And if you guys have any ideas actually on what I should do with this, please let me know in the comments below, because it can't really go here because obviously I don't have the stock mounting points for it anymore. So she'll just hang there, or I'll zip tie it. Oh, okay. But let's fire it up and see if I can't get it to stay at a steady idle after it warms up. One sec. Oof, she doesn't want to start. Crop out this little part. All right. Now that obviously the idler control valve isn't hooked up, the car doesn't know how the hell to idle. So I went on here, I turned up the neutral idle, but I mean she's pretty much warmed up. It still doesn't want to stay running because it keeps plummeting the idle, which is pretty common. I mean, it took away the idler control valve, but you would think the ECU would self-learn that it's not hooked up, and with the frickin' tuner over here, you would think it would be working. I guess not. I mean, the delete plate was only like 15 bucks, so if I have to, I'll put it back in, but I really don't want to. Maybe if you guys know a little trick to keep it running with that delete plate, let me know. But watch, I'm gonna get off the throttle and it just dies. So like I said, if you guys know what the hell to do, let me know, because I'm kind of stumped. I was hoping it was gonna be pretty easy, just remove it, put the new one in, but I guess not. It's kind of like my little update. Like I said, this tire's flat, so she's on a jack stand. Still got to fix that. Now she doesn't want to stay running because, well, you know, I had the bright idea to delete the idle air control valve, which might have not been smart, but I've seen it on other cars and it works, so why the hell ain't it working on mine? But there's the delete plate. Still looks good. Now I just need it to work. Maybe I'll just crank up the idle high as hell, or screw with the set screw or something. I'm not sure. But I'd really appreciate some of your guys' your guys' input on what I should do. Because I'm freaking not much really going on. Just did the idler control valve delete. Now she doesn't want to stay running. Mustang has a flat tire. I still need to get the harnesses. I still have to make the firewall in the back for the fuel cell. Got a lot to do, but I'm not really on a time limit. I'm slowly trying to learn as I'm going. Yeah, I was hoping the idler control valve delete plate was going to work, because then I was going to jump to the alternator. Now I don't know if I'm going to do that right away. Well, I'll probably just do it anyways, you know, take it apart. I like learning. Yeah, this freaking sucks. But I appreciate everyone that's been watching the videos and everyone that has subscribed already. It means a lot, making the videos for you guys. And yeah, hope you guys have a great, what's today? For Thursday, Friday? I think today's Friday, so you guys have a great Friday, have a great weekend. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.